Summer is here, and while the sun shines and the gardens bloom, something else rises too: our water usage. In the UK, we're lucky to have water on tap, but every drop has been cleaned and treated before reaching our homes. So using it wisely means saving money and protecting nature too. Let's start with the garden. Watering your garden early in the morning or late evening will help to stop the water from evaporating too quickly. Add mulch to help the soil stay cool and moist. Inside the home, it's the little things that add up. Use simple behaviors to save water, like turning off taps when brushing your teeth, boil only enough water as you need, and wait for full loads in the washing machine or dishwasher. Across towns, small changes are making a big difference. From reviving ponds to adding water butts and planting drought-tolerant greenery. Local volunteers are helping to save water and support nature. If you're part of a community, why not get involved? There's funding and advice available to help you improve water efficiency in your community space. Whether it's catching rainwater, switching to native plants, or fixing leaks, every small step helps. Together, we can make our green spaces more sustainable and protect our precious water for the future. Leaks often go unnoticed, but they can cost you. If your bill suddenly spikes, or you hear water running when everything's off, it's time to check. If you or your tenant need extra support, Priority Services Register can help, from accessible communications to emergency alerts. This summer, let's save water, protect our wildlife, and support our communities, one drop at a time.